foodies, welcome back to Poonam's Annapurna Kitchen. This is Poonam Bacha and I am back with yet another delightful and refreshing drink in our summer series. Today we are going to make Aam Panna. Aam Panna is a healthy, delicious summer coolant drink made using raw mangoes, and we can find different variations to it as we move across different Indian states. A perfect thirst quencher Aam Panna can be made in a jiffy if we have the Aam Panna concentrate ready at hand. Today I will be sharing two different ways of making Aam Panna concentrate. The first one is the traditional Maharashtrian method using jaggery or gur, and the second one is the North Indian version using lots of fresh meats and the roasted raw mangoes, which infuses a lovely smoky aroma and flavor into the Aam Panna. So let's get started. To make Maharashtrian style Aam Panna concentrate, we'll select a raw mango that is nice green in color, firm and blemish free. I have taken one large raw mango weighing 250 grams. Wash and pat dry the mango. Peel it using a knife or a vegetable peeler. Now we'll add some water to the base of a pressure cooker and place the peeled raw mango in a container. We do not want the mango to come in direct contact with water. Now close the lid of the pressure cooker. Pressure cook the raw mango for 2 whistles. Put off the flame and allow the pressure cooker to cool down completely before opening the lid. You can see the mango has cooked well. It is soft and tender. Now we will extract all the pulp using a knife or a spoon and discard the stone. Now we will add this pulp to a measuring cup, as we will be using double the amount of jaggery powder to the mango pulp. Now we will powder the jaggery in a grinder jar. You can use grated jaggery as well. Now we'll peel some green cardamom and pound it in a mortar and pestle. We will also grate some nutmeg. In Maharashtrian cuisine, jaggery based desserts are always flavored with cardamom and nutmeg. Here we have got half cup of mango pulp, so we'll be adding 1 cup of jaggery to it. Now we will blend the jaggery and the mango pulp very well. Traditionally it is done using hands. You can use a blender instead, but then the color of the Aam Panna concentrate will become white. You can see the jaggery has completely dissolved in the mango pulp. Now we will season it with cardamom powder, nutmeg powder and black salt. Now we will give it a good mix. You can taste the concentrate at this stage and add more seasonings as per your taste. Now we will strain the concentrate to remove the mango fibers or jaggery grits if any. After straining, we will get a lump-free Aam Panna concentrate with a smooth texture. Now we will transfer it to a clean and dry glass jar. You can store this Aam Panna concentrate in the refrigerator for 15 days. Now we will make Aam Panna using this concentrate. Take a serving glass and add few ice cubes to it. Next, add around 2 tablespoons of this Aam Panna concentrate and fill the glass with chilled water. Give it a good stir. Your healthy and flavorful Kairicha Panna or the Maharashtrian style Aam Panna is ready to serve. Now we will make our second concentrate, that is the North Indian version of the Aam Panna concentrate using roasted raw mango. For that I have taken a large raw mango weighing 250 grams and placed it over a papad or a wire rack directly over the gas stove. We will roast the raw mango directly over the flames until it gets charred from all sides. This will infuse a lovely smoky aroma and flavor into the mango. Allow the roasted raw mango to cool down until it is good enough to handle. You can see the peels have come out so easily. Now we will extract all the pulp using a knife and discard the stone. We have got around half cup of roasted raw mango pulp, so we'll be taking 1 cup of sugar for it, that is double the amount of sweetener, 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, a teaspoon of black salt and half teaspoon roasted cumin powder. Now transfer the roasted mango pulp to a blender jar. Add sugar to it. Next we will add the washed fresh mint leaves followed by our spice powders. Close the lid of the jar and pulse it to get a lump-free puree. You can notice the fresh mint leaves have lent a lovely green color to our concentrate. Transfer the Aam Panna concentrate to a clean and dry glass jar with a tight fitting lid. Since this concentrate has fresh mint leaves, it will last only for a couple of days upon refrigeration. Now we will see how to make Aam Panna using this concentrate. Here I have taken some lemon juice in one plate and a mix of red chili powder, chaat masala and black salt onto the another plate. Now we will dip the rim of the serving glass in the lemon juice and then place it on the plate with salt and spice powders. Now slowly rotate the glass so that the rim gets coated well with our garnish. Similarly, we will rim the second serving glass as well. Now add few ice cubes to the serving glass. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of the concentrate into each glass. The ratio of water to the Aam Panna concentrate is usually 4:1, but you may add more or less concentrate as per your taste. Fill the glasses with chilled water and give it a good stir. Lastly, garnish the Aam Panna with some fresh mint leaves. Our flavorful roasted raw mango panna is ready to serve. You can also fill the popsicle molds with Aam Panna and treat your kids with flavorful, healthy Aam Panna ice popsicles. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give these recipes a try and share your feedback with us in the comment section below. If you find my recipes useful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You can find the links in the description box below. I will be back with yet another healthy and delicious creation from my kitchen. Until then, stay safe and eat right. Happy cooking, happy eating. Bye bye.